Good morning, students. I am Komal Agarwal, format teacher of Jakhar Public Secondary Section Sansthan Tityari. I am going to start your online class. Today is 25th April and Saturday. Listen carefully, student, for class 7th. Today I started exercise 1.3 chapter first integers. So firstly you come on page number 10. You listen carefully. Multiplication of integers. Today on previous class we read about subtraction and addition of integers. Today I read about multiplication of integers. So first point is multiplication of two positive integers. When both integers are positive, then we multiply their values regardless of their signs and assign the positive sign of the product. Okay, though positive integers, both positive integers are pos- two positive integers are, then we multiply their value regardless for their signs and assign the positive sign to the product. Okay, then next second point is multiplication of two negative integers. Multiplication of two negative integers. When both integers are negative, then we multiply their values regardless of their sign or assign positive sign to the product. Then next third point is multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. Positive and a negative integer. When both integers are of positive signs, then we multiply their numerical values regardless of their signs and assign the negative sign to the product. Okay, and this is multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers have 3 points. Okay, then next point is properties of multiplication of integers. Properties of multiplication of integers. First point is closure property. First point is closure property. The product of two integer is always an integer. The product of two integer is always an integers. If a and b two integers, if a and b two integers, then a multiply b is also an integer. Okay, the next point is commutative property. The product of two integers remains the same whatever be the order of integers. Okay, then if a and b be two integers, then a into b equals to b into a. Then next point is associative property. Associative property. The product of three or more integers remains same whatever may be the grouping of the integers. If a, b, c be three integers, then a multiply b into c then equals to a multiply b into c. Then some properties are new for your, because four properties you read in previous sixth class, and now three properties for your new property. So listen carefully, student. Question property number 4. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. For any three integer a, b and c, we have a into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c, and a into b minus c equals to a into b minus a into c. So then if a, b and c be three integers, then a into b plus या minus any sign in c equals to a into b plus minus a into c. This is called distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Okay, then next fifth point is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, the product of an integer and one is the integer itself. If a b and a be an integer, okay, then a multiply 1 equals to a. 1 is also called multiplicative identity. Okay, then question sorry, point sixth. Point sixth is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, the product of an integer and its reciprocal always remains 1. Reciprocal always remains 1. Okay, if a be an integer, then a multiply 1 upon a equals to 1. Okay, next point, seventh point, property of 0. Property of 0, the product of an integer and 0 is always 0. Okay, if a be an integer, then a multiplied by 0 equals to 0 multiplied by a equals to 0. Okay, then complete this theory. Now come on page number 13, exercise 1.3. Okay, find the products. First question saying find the products 6 multiply by minus 14. So solve this question. 6 multiply 14 equals to 84. Then minus sign put there. So minus 84 is answer. Okay, then next question. Question number 2, find the products of following by making suitable grouping. Okay, so first question is minus 40 into 15 into 50. This is find the product. Normal question है find the product means multiplication करना है सभी में, बट बाय मेकिंग सूटेबल ग्रुपिंग. सूटेबल ग्रुपिंग, सूटेबल आपको जैसे सूटेबल होता है ग्रुपिंग जो इजी होता है जिससे आपका इजीली आंसर फाइंड हो जाए, वो इट्स कॉल्ड सूटेबल ग्रुपिंग. सो इजीली point is 40 multiplied by 50, then 40 multiplied by 50 equals to 2000, because minus 40, then write there minus 2000 multiplied by 15. 15 multiplied by 2000 equals to minus 30,000 is answer in this question. Okay, and next question is question number third. Question number third. Question number third is using a suitable property, find the products of the following. Okay, this question is saying find the products of the following but using a suitable property. Any suitable property you solve this question. Closure property and commutative property, distributive property. Okay, in question using these properties, I use distributive property. I using distributive properties. So say there 132 into 95. So 132 distribute 100 plus 32 and multiply by 95. 100 multiply 95 and 95 multiply by 32. So 9500 plus 3040. Got it? And 9500 and 3040 added this. So answer is 12,540 is answer in this question. Okay, you using closure property also is okay. Then question number 4. Question number 4 saying using a suitable property simplify the following. This question saying using a suitable property simplify the following. Simplify means solve करना है आपको, सिंप्लीफाई करना है, एंड यूजिंग दिस क्वेश्चन सेइंग सेम यूजिंग ए सूटेबल प्रॉपर्टी. यू कैन यूज एनी सूटेबल प्रॉपर्टी इफ यू सॉल्व दिस. ओके, एंड 972 multiply 999 plus 972 multiply by 1. It's according to distributive property. This question solve this according to solve this. Okay, so 972 and 999 plus 972 into multiply 900, sorry, multiply 1. 972 is common number, so 972 uh, remain different. So then 999 plus 1 added this, okay, and 999 plus 1 equals to 1000, and multiply by 972. Separate this number 972 because they are common, and separate this number, and 999 plus 1 common this number and added this number, so 1972 e- easily multiplied the, so 9,72,000 is your answer. Okay, then question number 5 saying fill in the empty boxes with the symbol of greater than, smaller than, or equal. Okay, fill in the blocks, empty boxes. So first question is 6 plus 13 3 equals to 11. 6 plus 3 equal 11. Box 6 plus 3 in bracket equal to 11. Okay, both digits are same, but this bracket in this question. Okay, this number, so 6 plus 3 multiply by 11 and 6, repeat the question, 6 plus 3 in bracket multiply 11 and solve this question. Firstly you multiply in this question, so 6 plus 33, firstly you solve in this bracket. 6 plus 3 equals to 9 multiply 11, then solve this. 6 plus 33 equals to 39 and 9 multiply 11 equals to 99. So 39 and 99, which is greatest? 99 is greatest, so fill this answer. Okay, and question 6, 7 and 8, three questions are word problems. It's very simple, you solve in your homework. Okay, and 1 to 5 remaining questions you solve in your homework, and any problems if you can ask me. Thank you.